Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Cadillac CELESTIQ? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box 2026. Cadillac CELESTIQ is a fully electric vehicle. It doesn't have a traditional internal combustion engine. Instead, its engine compartment is an engine compartment or front trunk area. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 CELESTIQ is a vital power distribution hub designed specifically to shield and manage the vehicle's low voltage, 12 volts electronics, and critical safety networks. Located safely away from the high-voltage Ultium battery lines, this fuse block features a secure, weather-sealed locking cover marked with GM safety pictograms, including distinct fuse block cover lock location and keep fuse block covers properly installed symbols to prevent moisture or debris from interfering with the electronics. Rather than traditional powertrain components, it houses fuses and relays dedicated to essential EV support systems, such as the thermal management and cooling pumps for the electric drive motors, the air conditioning system, advanced driver assistance features like GM's hands-free Super Cruise, and critical safety networks including the airbag readiness systems. Additionally, the compartment closely integrates with the vehicle's first responder safety features, positioned near the low-voltage battery loop that emergency personnel can double-cut to safely isolate high-voltage systems without disabling vital automated safety alerts. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2026 Cadillac CELESTIQ serves as the primary low-voltage distribution center for the vehicle's ultra-luxury interior electronics, cabin comfort features, and advanced digital interfaces. Located inside the cabin, typically accessible behind a removable trim panel on the driver's side or lower dashboard area, this fuse block is meticulously engineered to manage the intricate matrix of the CELESTIQ's bespoke cockpit. It houses a variety of microfuses and circuit breakers that protect the vehicle's massive pillar-to-pillar 55-inch diagonal advanced LED display layout, the complex multi-zone climate control modules, the specialized controls for the smart glass panoramic roof, and the 38-speaker AKG studio reference audio system. Because it acts as the gateway for cabin tech, this fuse center also safeguards delicate communication modules, such as wireless device chargers, internal diagnostic sensors, ambient lighting networks, and individual power seat comfort electronics. Designed with accessible servicing in mind, the panel is mapped out precisely in the vehicle documentation, providing targeted circuit protection to ensure that any routine interior electrical anomaly remains safely isolated without interrupting the EV's core propulsion or critical high-voltage safety controls. Rear compartment fuse box. The bottom side of rear compartment fuse box in the 2026 Cadillac CELESTIQ, functioning as the structural backbone of the rear power box. This bottom layer consists of a high-conductivity busbar matrix and heavy-gauge wiring harness connections that safely channel 12-volt power from the auxiliary battery lines to the upper fuses. It is distinctly characterized by its heavy-duty infrastructure, housing the high-current maxi fuses, thick inline circuit breakers, and large solid-state power relays responsible for the vehicle's most power-hungry rear-facing amenities. Specifically, this underlayer provides dedicated circuit protection for the rear thermal defogger, the electronically actuated automatic liftgate motor, the complex rear active steering system actuators, and the power-adjustable, climate-controlled executive rear seating arrays. By isolating these dense, high-amperage terminal paths on the bottom side and protecting them behind a sealed, vibration-dampened casing, Cadillac ensures that heavy power surges are contained safely away from the sensitive digital communication modules mounted on top, ensuring absolute electrical stability throughout the cabin. The top side of the rear compartment fuse box in the 2026 Cadillac CELESTIQ acts as the high-density digital control center for the vehicle's rear electronics, prioritizing data integrity and precise low-amperage circuit isolation. Conveniently oriented toward the technician or owner once the cargo floor panels are removed, this upper surface features a clean, scannable layout populated primarily by mini fuses, micro fuses, and compact solid-state control relays. It directly manages the delicate circuitry for the vehicle's premium rear cabin luxury features, protecting the dual rear seat entertainment screens, the executive console touch interfaces, and the individualized multi-zone ambient lighting zones. Furthermore, this top layer safeguards the critical sensors for the active rear spoiler aerodynamics, the rear-facing cameras, and the ultrasonic parking sensors linked to the Super Cruise autonomous parking network. To ensure effortless maintenance and rapid diagnostics, the entire top side is color-coded by amperage ratings, equipped with built-in test ports on each fuse head, and features a detailed structural diagram laser-etched onto the inner lid, allowing for precise tracking of interior communication signals without needing to disturb the heavy power feeds isolated underneath. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.